My name is Taylor. What are your names?
I'm Liddy.
I'm Mackenzie.
Sam.
Hi. Alright, so today we're going to learn about money and how we can make change for a dollar. Can anyone tell me what we use money for?
To buy candy.
Okay. Anybody else?
To buy presents.
What is something that you bought with your own money one time?
Lollipop.
Ooh, lollipops.
A balloon.
A balloon? Wow.
Your shoes.
Alright. So we're going to talk about how we make change for a dollar, but first we need to talk about what each of these coins stands for. So this is a dime, and it's worth 10 cents. And we have a quarter, and it's worth 25 cents. And then we have a nickel, and it's worth 5 cents. And we have a penny that's worth 1 cent.
They all look the same besides the penny.
Yeah, don't they? Because of the
I'm
colors.
confused already.
They go by size almost. Alright. So does anyone know anything different about these coins?
One is brown and the others are silver.
Yeah. Anything else?
They have different meanings.
Yes, they do. Alright. So first, let's go over how to make a change for a dollar. But before we can do that, we need to find out how much a dollar is worth. So a dollar is worth 100 cents. So 100 cents. So for every coin we have, we need to add them up, and they have to equal 100. And that will equal $1. So we'll do an example of this. So we'll do 4 quarters. So we have 1 quarter and 2 quarters, which equals 50 cents. And then we'll do 2 more quarters, and that'll equal 50 more cents. And we know that 50 plus 50 equals 100 cents. And that equals $1. So we need 4 quarters to equal $1. Alright, and we can do this another way. And we'll do it with the dimes this time. And dimes are worth 10 cents, so we count by tens this time. So we can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So it takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 dimes to equal $1. And we can also do this with nickels and pennies, but instead, let's try to mix and match our coins. So we'll start out with 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, and then we'll add in some dimes. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it takes 2 quarters and 5 dimes to equal $1, or 100 cents. Alright. Now let's practice this together. Now I want to make change for a dollar using dimes and nickels. So how many dimes should we start off with? Can be as many dimes as you want.
5.
5 dimes? Okay, so let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So then we need, how many more cents do we need to get to 100?
50.
Alright, so should we start with our nickels? So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So how many dimes and nickels did it take?
5 dimes.
10 nickels.
Yes, that's correct. So how much is this worth?
$1.
Which is how many cents?
100.
Good job. Alright, we'll do this one more time together. All our nickels back. All our dimes back. Let's try it with nickels and quarters this time. How many quarters do we want to start with? 3. 3 quarters. Alright, so that's 25 plus 25 is 50. And 50 plus 25 is 75 cents. So if we're going to do dimes, how many dimes do we need to get? Should we count them? So we're at 75, 85, 95. Can we add another dime to that?
No.
What do we need?
We need a nickel.
So we need to
For
do
an
a
extra 5.
nickel this time to do an extra 5. So how many quarters, dimes, and nickels did we use?
3 quarters, 2 dimes, 1.
Yes, we did. And how much does this equal?
$1.
Which is how many cents?
100 cents.
Good job. Okay. So these are only a couple of ways that we can make change for $1. And now I'm going to let you guys do it. So I'm going to pass out a worksheet. Each have a worksheet. And they have circles on them. And each circle is going to represent $1. So you're going to make change for $1 in 3 different ways. And you can use all the coins that I have. If you need more, I have more. If you have any questions about what we're doing, you can raise your hand. So can you tell me how many of each we have?
We have 2 quarters, which is 50 cents.
Yes.
And then we have 2 nickels, which is 10 cents. So add that to 50 plus 10 is 60. And then we have 4 dimes, which is 40. So 60 plus 40 is 100
Yep.
cents.
You can keep going.
Okay.
How many do you have?
I have 10 dimes.
Oh, so use the example that we used. I like it. All right, you can keep going. Mackenzie, how many do you
I
have?
have 5 nickels and 3 quarters.
And how much does that equal?
25 cents and 75 cents.
Good job. All right, keep going. And what do you have this time?
I have a quarter, which is 25 cents. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes. And I have a nickel,
And how much does that equal?
100 cents.
And does that equal $1 or $2 or how much does that equal?
It's exactly $1.
Okay. And what do you have this time?
I have 2 quarters for 50 cents, and then I have 3 dimes for 30 cents, and 4 nickels for 20 cents.
Good job. All right. So, since we know how to make change for $1, can anyone tell me one last time how much $1 is worth? How many cents?
100.
All right. And can anyone tell me how much each of these is worth?
The brown one is 1.
1 cent. Yep. What about the big one?
25.
And what's it called?
A quarter.
Good job. And what about the small one?
10 cents.
10 cents. And do you remember what it's called?
A penny.
Close. This one's the penny.
Well, they're almost the same size though.
I know.
Yeah.
The dime is the silver looking one. And it's the smallest one, and it's worth 10 cents. So it's called the dime. And does anyone remember what this one's called?
Nickel.
And how much it's worth?
5.
Good job. All right. I had a lot of fun today, and I hope you guys all learned something new.